Hello, greetings, and welcome back to Dividend Blasters. This will be a short video this evening. This is really just to share some information. I did share some of this information a couple nights ago, and it was with regards to ConocoPhillips and the announcement of a quarterly dividend. Um, we knew that I think it was issued or announced on February 2nd that the ex-dividend date for the first quarterly dividend is February 13th, payable on March 1st. Okay. Um, Interestingly, they've also made an announcement for a special dividend. Recall that I mentioned that ConocoPhillips is really a cash machine. Last year, they issued 8 dividends, and the year before, they issued 8 dividends, 4 regular quarterly dividends and 4 special dividends. Well, for first quarter, they're doing it again. As we know, they declared their regular dividend. It's going to come out to about 51 cents a share. And now we already knew that, but what's new here is the 60-cent VROC dividend. VROC is variable return of cash. So that is the first special dividend. Um, the ordinary dividend of 51 cents per share is payable on March 1st. We knew that. And this is for shareholders of record on February 14th. Ex-dividend date the day before, February 13th. These bullets that I'm reading to you, I got directly from my Seeking Alpha account, which I use regularly. I'm a big fan of Seeking Alpha. And frankly, I don't think I could do this well without Seeking Alpha. So just wanted to mention that and put a plug in for them. I don't have any kind of professional relationship with them, but I use the resource fairly regularly. The variable return of cash is 60 cents per share. It's going to be payable on April 14th to stockholders of record at the close of business on March 29th. So this is really interesting. There actually is a little bit more time for folks who aren't shareholders by February 13th to make a purchase and get that special dividend. Personally, I own shares, and I want to get more shares before the 13th. I just want to lock them in, and I continue to buy ConocoPhillips, but that's me, and I just wanted to share that with you, and I would hope that you take a look at this company because I think it's a good company. Do your due diligence, and maybe talk to somebody like a professional advisor, but this is my approach, and I've had shares of ConocoPhillips for many years. This last bullet, I love this. The firm, ConocoPhillips, is planning a return of capital to shareholders of $11 billion in 2023. Wow, that is a lot of money. As a shareholder, you'll get a little bit of that, as will I, and I'm looking forward to that. That should tell you something that they are very good at generating profits and paying them out to their shareholders. This slide here, I presented this already. You've seen this. And it's just the summary of ConocoPhillips as a dividend growth investment. I shaded in yellow, highlighted the ex-dividend date of February 13th. We knew that. The payout date of March 1st, that's for the regular dividend. I don't have anything in here on the special dividend. Had I known, that would be in here. But now you know and I know. And for shareholders of record on March 29th, payable on April 14th, one day before tax day, 60 cents a share for that special dividend. That is nice. And I love the fact that it's actually more than the ordinary dividend. I talked a little bit about ConocoPhillips and their background in the first meeting, but here it's in writing, and I'll just read a little bit of it. They were founded in 1917, so they're 106 years old. headquartered in Houston, Texas. It's a great town. I love Houston. They explore, produce, transport, and they market crude oil, natural gas, liquefied natural gas liquids worldwide. They got a portfolio around the globe. North America, Europe, Asia, Australia. Absolutely fascinating. So this is a big operation, and it's a strong company. So I wanted to share that with you. So now you know of the special dividend, in addition to the regular dividend, which you already knew about from our first meeting. Here's our disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. The purpose of this video is for education, information, and hopefully some entertainment. And the opinions that I share with you are my opinions, no one else's. These are mine, and these are my assessments of the investment that I talk about on any of these videos. So what I would say is I urge you to do your own research and consult your professional financial advisor prior to making any investments. I do this all the time. I have a professional financial advisor who I talk to. I bounce ideas off of. Sometimes we agree, sometimes we don't agree. We often do agree on things. And I've learned from them, and sometimes they learn from me a few things, but I'm not a professional. But when it comes to my own money, I take this very seriously. So speak to a professional financial advisor, and your investments are yours. So I would say good luck in the next couple days and happy investing. Have a wonderful evening, and I will talk to you at our next video. Good night and God bless.